Bathroom is a place where you don't really have too much garbage, so minimal things kind of work. Today we're going to show you toilet cleaning brush with silicone bristles. So we've got two different ones. This is the first one, and then this is the second one that we just got. And we are a big fan of mounted items because they look really nice and clean. So right there's a clear double adhesive piece of plastic that slides over here and allows you to mount this very easily anywhere. It sticks to absolutely any surface. These are wall planks here. This is tile. We're going to be adding these ones to the tile upstairs. This particular one, it's a two-tone. It's a bottom plastic and there's a little drain on there. So when you put the cleaning brush in, the water drains up to the bottom. So that's a bonus, right? And you can clean it. This is a plastic handle. You can get this in different colors, but we chose to do this because it just goes with the rest of the theme here, gray and black, right? This is, in case you guys are wondering, the little garbage that comes out. So this is another silicone toilet brush. You can get this in a pack of 2 or 1. Now, I like this one because it's a little more of a flat design. If you compare this to this one, you can see the difference, right? This is much more minimal. In terms of cleaning, it really does the same thing. I'm just gonna show you guys. So this one, pretty long handle. You can go underneath very easily, right? And then you can just wash it. These bristles are silicone, which is great because things don't stick to it as much, and very easy to clean. Except this is more of a flat design, smaller. But this one, it's kind of got like bristles on both sides, and it's got this ridge here. So you go between the toilet bowl, right? Just to show you guys. So you go between, and it gets it all the way around. But there's a little draining right here that you pull and slide it back in. So that's pretty ingenious little design here, and it goes right in. And I like this little design element as well. I mean, honestly, if I put this in here, it could have looked good as well. But I'm not going to throw that out. So let's go and install these. We're going to do it right about here, just above that. This works in gloss tile or matte tile. We provided you with these two little adhesives. So one is essentially just going to go slide into the other. So that way you can take the whole thing off and on very easily. We want to make the gravity do all the work. So this is going to be on the wall, and then this is the way it's going to slide. So we're going to take this, peel this, and place this just up the center. And the thing about these mounts is that you could always take it off if you want later, but they're also super strong. So we're just gonna slide this on like that, and then we're gonna basically go and quickly apply it where we want it. So we're gonna go and just stick that, press it, and I think we're pretty much good. There you go, and that's all there is to it. And then this tab here can slide out right here, and the brush comes off, right? So you're not gonna lift this if you don't lift the brush. And then we basically can clean right underneath here very easily, and also underneath. And because of the surface, it gets all the gunk out. So that's that. Always get a self-closing seat, much better. Thanks for watching.